Guys, and welcome to the beauty of South Africa. My name is Nkululeko Cele and I'm your host. In case you think you are lost, our channel advocates for travel, automotives, and a fabulous lifestyle. And if this sounds like your type of content, please feel free to browse our channel and ultimately subscribe to the channel. And in today's video, we are exploring the new GWM Tank 300. This is the latest offering from the company, which is strategically poised to compete with the luxury SUVs, offering the latest and cutting-edge features at a very affordable price. And I know in your head you're probably wondering, how is a Chinese brand able to achieve this? Well, consider this. Many well-known brands depreciate significantly as soon as their warranty expires, and they cost considerably more than discrete wall motors products. Something to think about. Would you buy a BMW X5 that is out of warranty for maybe 700,000 rands? So why, when it comes to Chinese products that save you money, you have a tendency of worrying about its reliability when your so-called reputable brands steadily drops value as soon as the warranty expires? Well, to give you a short answer to that, it's the warranty. That's the most important thing. Meaning that these days, as long as a car has a warranty, worrying about its reliability is pointless. Unless you are planning to keep your car for 12 years or even 20 years, which is very less likely with today's luxury brands. Well, with the latest Tank 300, you get a maximum warranty of 8 years, which includes roadside assistance. This is the guarantee from GWM that this car will be operational for 8 years, while providing you with the latest comfort and technology equivalent to your favorite luxury brands. GWM sold over 6 million of these units over 60 countries. This makes them the biggest SUV producer of all times. Trust me, this car is equipped with all the latest features that you can think of. It offers features like intelligent 4-wheel drive, I-Booster intelligent braking system, and more comprehensive safety features including emergency lane keeping, smart dodge, intelligent cornering control, and cross-traffic alert and braking. Their top-of-the-range spec, the Ultra Luxury, stands out with authentic leather seats, front passenger heating and ventilation. The driver has a massaging seat and enjoys the luxury of an 8-directional electric adjustable seat. And for those who love quality music in a vehicle, you'll be happy to know that this car features a Harman audio system with 9 infinity speakers. And before I go any further, the 3 seats are created by a full-size aluminium spare tire. The rear tow bar and tow hooks all come as standard. The back door is hydraulics, in case you're worried about the opening and the closing. Boot capacity is 400 liters and 1,000. Guys, this car doesn't just come with alloy wheels, but it comes with aluminium 18-inch alloy wheels as standard on the Super Luxury and the Ultra Luxury models. The side mirrors are folding, heated, and electric. By standard, it comes with the fixed side foot pedals, and the roof rails are also standard. The front features automatic high and low light air conditioning, wireless charging, adaptive cruise control, smart start and stop, and that's just to name a few. Just to sum up everything, guys, in the interior, I love the interior of this car. I must say I'm very impressed. This is one of the most beautiful interiors that I've ever sat in. I mean, the most beautiful. Considering your BMs, your Mercedes, even Volvo, this interior, I think it holds number 1. Well, that's just my opinion. Guys, please don't forget that this is a full 4x4 with a 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. And all the models come in automatic transmissions. It comes in 3 models. A 4x4 Super Luxury at 725,950. The next model is the Ultra Luxury at 775,950. And the top of the range is the HEV Super Luxury. This one is a bit pricey at 851,950. All the variants come in a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine. The Super Luxury and the Ultra Luxury come with a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine that produces 162 kilowatts. And on the other hand, the HEV Super Luxury come with an electronic motor, allowing you to drive the Tank 300 on a hybrid, which is petrol and electric. This one comes with a massive improved power output of 255 kilowatts. So that's what you are paying for in the Super Luxury HEV. In case you're wondering, the fuel consumption on the normal 2-liter is 9.5 liters per 100 kilometers. And on the HEV, well, you are benefiting from a less fuel consumption of 8.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Which one I would go for, guys? I think the best value for money is to go for the top of the range. Talking about warranty, it comes with a 7-year or 200,000 kilometer vehicle warranty, and with that you get an 8-year or 150,000 kilometer battery warranty. Additionally, you get a 7-year or unlimited kilometer roadside assistance. And to close the deal, you get a 5-year or 75,000 kilometer service plan with service intervals of once every 12 months or once every 15,000 kilometers. And lastly, the price of ownership. If you had to buy the Tank 300 Ultra Luxury on finance over 72 months with a 0 deposit, a 30% balloon payments, and an interest of 13%, it's a price of 775,950. You can expect to pay 13,518 on a monthly basis for the next 72 months. And when you phase in an insurance premium of 2,500 rands monthly, and also a monthly cost of fuel of 1,500 rands, you can expect to pay a total cost of ownership of 17,518,000 rands monthly. My key takeaways from this car are its numerous appealing features. Firstly, it's a luxury 4x4 SUV that competes fiercely with high-end brands, offering an affordable alternative without compromising on quality. It comes fully equipped with the latest safety and comfort technology. The generous warranty, service plan, and roadside assistance further enhances its value proportion. Well, guys, the car's aesthetics are appealing and undeniable, with a stunning exterior and interior that is simply irresistible. Given the price point, I would rate this car a perfect 100%. This implies that I would undoubtedly consider purchasing this car. Well, I hope you find value in the video and also found the video insightful. Please consider subscribing for more content, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.